Have you ever wondered how one incident can alter the course of thousands of lives within a matter of hours? Picture this: industrial disasters, events that can wreak havoc on a devastating scale. The implications of these catastrophes extend far beyond immediate destruction, impacting human lives, the environment, and economies for generations. They serve as a stark reminder of the delicate balance between industrial progress and safety. One such catastrophic event was the Bhopal Disaster of 1984. Considered the world's worst industrial disaster. On the chilling night of December 2, 1984, in the city of Bhopal, India, an unforeseen disaster struck. The Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant, a symbol of industrial progress, became the epicenter of what would be known as the world's worst industrial disaster. A lethal gas, methyl isocyanate, began to leak from the plant's storage tank. As the clock ticked past midnight, the toxic cloud began to descend upon the city. Unaware of the impending danger, the citizens of Bhopal were enveloped in a shroud of deadly gas. The gas, heavier than air, clung to the ground and infiltrated homes, poisoning the unsuspecting residents. Breath became a battle. Eyes watered, lungs burned, and bodies convulsed in pain. The immediate impact was devastating. Official numbers put the death toll at 2,259, but estimates suggest that up to 8,000 people may have lost their lives within the first 2 weeks. The environment was not spared either. The gas blanketed the city, choking its life, tainting its air, and poisoning its water. The city, once bustling with life, was now eerily silent, save for the cries of the afflicted and the wailing of sirens. The dawn of December 3rd did not bring the usual tranquility. Instead, it revealed the magnitude of the catastrophe that had occurred. By the break of dawn, the city was engulfed in a cloud of deadly gas, marking the beginning of a long-term nightmare. In the aftermath of the disaster, the city of Bhopal was a living testament to the horrors of industrial negligence. The immediate shock of the catastrophe was marked by a death toll officially reaching over 2,000, though some estimates suggest as many as 8,000 souls were lost within the first 2 weeks. But the nightmare was far from over. As the weeks turned into months and then years, the long-term effects of the gas leak became painfully evident. Gas-related diseases claimed the lives of an estimated 20,000 people in the years that followed, a chilling testament to the lingering toxicity of that fateful night. 500,000 people, their lives forever altered, grappled with a myriad of health problems ranging from respiratory issues to blindness. Yet the wounds inflicted by the Bhopal disaster ran deeper than the immediate human cost. The environment bore the brunt of this industrial calamity. Even today, decades later, the contamination continues to scar the land, the air, the very essence of life in the area. Compensation, though awarded, has done little to ease the suffering of the victims, many of whom consider it grossly inadequate. The disaster served as a stark reminder of the dire need for corporate accountability and stringent industrial safety measures. The echoes of the disaster can still be heard in the city, with the scars of that fateful night etched into the lives of its residents. The Bhopal disaster was not just a tragic event, but also a stark reminder of the potential consequences of industrial negligence. This catastrophe was a wake-up call that echoed around the globe. It highlighted the devastating effects of toxic gas leaks and the dire need for stringent safety measures in industries dealing with hazardous substances. In the aftermath of the disaster, compensation was indeed awarded to the victims. Although a total of $470 million was settled by Union Carbide Corporation, many consider this amount as inadequate, considering the scale of human suffering and environmental damage. This event sparked fierce debates about corporate accountability, leading to stricter regulations and the reinforcement of safety standards in industries worldwide. The Bhopal disaster has left a lasting legacy. It has shaped the way we think about industrial safety and corporate responsibility. It's a stark reminder that corporations must prioritize the safety of the communities they operate within and the environment they impact. In the years that followed, measures were taken to prevent such disasters from happening again. And while we can never undo the damage caused, we can strive to learn from our past mistakes. The world has witnessed the importance of rigorous safety protocols and the need for companies to be held accountable for their actions. As we remember the Bhopal disaster, we are reminded of the importance of safety and accountability in industries, and the profound impact a single disaster can have on countless lives.